Welcome to Prime Motivation. If you're here, you're ready to unlock the secrets to achieving your goals and transforming your life. In today's video, the secret to achieving your goals, we're diving deep into the strategies that can propel you from where you are now to where you want to be. Get ready to discover actionable insights and powerful tips to help you reach your aspirations and make your dreams a reality. Stay tuned to uncover the keys to your success. In the quest for achieving your goals, the journey begins with a clear vision. Imagine your goals as a destination on a map. Without a specific endpoint in sight, it's challenging to chart a course. This is where the power of vision comes into play. Visualizing your goals involves painting a detailed mental picture of what success looks like and feels like. It's more than just a fleeting thought. It's about creating a vivid image that motivates and guides you through the process. For instance, let's say you're aiming to start your own business. Rather than just imagining a generic idea of success, visualize every aspect of it: your office space, your daily routines, the clients you'll interact with, and even the satisfaction of seeing your idea come to life. This detailed vision not only fuels your motivation, but also helps you set specific and unachievable milestones along the way. Writing down your vision and reviewing it regularly reinforces your commitment. It's like having a personal mission statement that keeps you focused on your end goal. Whenever you face challenges or distractions, revisiting your vision can reignite your determination and help you stay on track. Moreover, sharing your vision with supportive friends, mentors, or a coach can provide additional encouragement and accountability. These individuals can offer valuable feedback, celebrate your progress, and help you refine your approach as needed. Finally, remember that your vision should be adaptable. As you make progress and encounter new insights, be open to refining your vision to better align with your evolving goals and circumstances. This flexibility ensures that your vision remains relevant and continues to inspire you throughout your journey. With a powerful vision in place, the next step in achieving your goals is setting clear and achievable objectives. Think of your goals as stepping stones leading you toward your ultimate vision. Each goal should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, commonly known as SMART goals. This approach helps you break down your vision into manageable, actionable steps. For example, if your vision involves becoming a published author, setting a SMART goal would involve specific milestones, such as completing a certain number of chapters within a set time frame, researching publishing options, or building a platform to engage with potential readers. Each of these goals brings you closer to the final objective and provides a sense of progress. Another crucial aspect of goal setting is prioritization. It's easy to become overwhelmed when you have multiple goals, so it's important to prioritize them based on their impact and urgency. Focus on high-priority goals that align with your vision and will have the most significant effect on your overall success. This way, you ensure that your efforts are concentrated where they will yield the greatest results. Additionally, breaking down larger goals into smaller, actionable tasks can make them less intimidating and more achievable. For instance, if your goal is to run a marathon, start with smaller targets like running shorter distances and gradually increase your training intensity. Each small victory builds momentum and boosts your confidence. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your goals is essential for staying on track. As you make progress, you might discover new opportunities or face unexpected challenges. Being flexible and willing to adjust your goals ensures that you remain aligned with your vision while adapting to any changes that come your way. Once you've set clear and achievable goals, the next critical step is developing a detailed plan of action. A well-structured plan serves as your roadmap, guiding you through each stage of your journey toward achieving your goals. This plan should outline specific actions, deadlines, and resources needed to turn your goals into reality. Start by breaking down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Create a timeline that assigns deadlines to each task, helping you stay organized and on track. For example, if your goal is to launch a new business, your plan might include tasks such as market research, business registration, creating a business plan, and setting up a marketing strategy. Assign deadlines to each task and regularly check your progress. Another key element of a successful plan is identifying and allocating resources. Determine what resources, whether time, money, or skill set, are required for each task. This might involve budgeting, seeking additional training, or finding people who can support you. Ensuring you have the necessary resources in place will prevent delays and obstacles along the way. Accountability plays a vital role in executing your plan. Share your goals and progress with a trusted friend, mentor, or accountability partner. This external support not only provides motivation, but also helps keep you accountable. Regularly update them on your progress and discuss any challenges you're facing. Their feedback can offer valuable insights and encouragement. Finally, anticipate and prepare for potential challenges. Every journey has its ups and downs, and being proactive in addressing possible obstacles can make a significant difference. Develop contingency plans to handle setbacks and remain adaptable. Embrace resilience as a key component of your strategy, and view challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. As you near the end of your journey toward achieving your goals, it's crucial to take the time to celebrate your success. Recognizing and celebrating your accomplishments not only provides a sense of achievement, but also reinforces your motivation and commitment to future goals. Celebrations can take many forms and should reflect the significance of your achievements. Start by acknowledging your progress and the effort you've put into reaching your goals. Reflect on the challenges you've overcome, the lessons you've learned, and the growth you've experienced. This self-reflection helps you appreciate the journey and reinforces the positive impact of your hard work. Write down your accomplishments and revisit them regularly to maintain a sense of pride and motivation. Share your success with those who supported you along the way. Expressing gratitude to mentors, friends, family, and colleagues who contributed to your journey strengthens your relationships and creates a positive, supportive network. Celebrating together can amplify the joy of your achievements and inspire others to pursue their own goals. Create rituals or personal traditions to commemorate your successes. Whether it's treating yourself to a special outing, buying a meaningful gift, or indulging in a favorite activity, these celebrations can make your achievements feel even more rewarding. Choose rituals that resonate with you and that help reinforce your commitment to continued success. As you celebrate, also set your sights on new goals and challenges. Use the momentum from your success to fuel your next endeavors. Setting new goals ensures that you maintain a sense of purpose and direction, and it allows you to continue growing and evolving. Embrace the excitement of new challenges and view them as opportunities for further personal development. Finally, remember that celebrating success is not just about acknowledging the end of a journey, but also about appreciating the ongoing process of growth and achievement. Every milestone is a testament to your determination, resilience, and hard work. Keep this perspective as you continue to set and pursue new goals, and let your celebrations inspire and motivate you on your path to ongoing success. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secret to achieving your goals. We hope these insights have inspired and empowered you to take actionable steps toward realizing your dreams. Remember, success is not just about reaching the finish line, but also about the perseverance and commitment you show along the way. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more motivational content from Prime Motivation. Keep believing in your potential, stay focused on your goals, and continue striving for excellence. Your path to success is illuminated by your determination, and each day is an opportunity to move closer to your dreams. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep pushing forward, and let's achieve greatness together.